an extremely long time since I have been Facebook Live. So let's see who will be joining us. Hello, hello, hello. This is gonna be a very quick video. I promise not to hold you guys long. And I normally never go live this time of night, but I wanted to share some information. I've received several calls today, several emails, several messages concerning it. So I wanted to go live. I thought it would be a great opportunity to share some information that may support you or someone that you know. So please, I encourage you, I ask you to share this video that it may support other business owners, other entrepreneurs. For those that don't know me, my name is Marsha Mayfield. I'm the owner and CEO of Financial Services Plus, LLC. I serve beauty industry leaders, helping them to make and maintain multiple six figures. I also do individual taxes, bookkeeping, accounting services that I offer. I'm excited to be back here live. Guys, comment in the section. Let me know who's here with me. I hate talking to myself. I'm excited to be back. So welcome me back to being live here on Facebook. Tax season had me... I was loaded with taxes. I'm grateful. I'm very grateful for that. I'm thankful, but I can breathe a little bit now. So I wanted to start back jumping in here, doing some live training, supporting entrepreneurs such as yourself. If you're not an entrepreneur, I'm sure you know someone that is. So I want to talk about, just briefly, I promise not to hold you long because this topic is a sensitive topic. Everyone is familiar with it or know someone that is in some form or another. So what I wanted to share was, and I wanted to know if someone was here with me. For some reason, when I go live from my computer, I just cannot see my comments. But I got someone with me, so thank you. Any questions that you have, if I don't answer your questions while I'm actually here on live, I will go back to the comment section and reach out to respond to you. Also, afterwards, I will drop my link. If you have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, you can schedule a 15-minute consultation, and hopefully I can support you in that way. But what I want to talk about is, are you currently receiving unemployment? Also, my next question is, did you receive the PPP, whether it be the first or the second round of the PPP? If you did, guys, and you may know this, and I want to just share some things with you to enlighten you or give you some ideas or suggestions on some things that you should do or should not do. If you receive the PPP, which is the Paycheck Protection Program, I have to look because I call it wrong every time. The Paycheck Protection Program. And we all know unemployment is saying that you're unemployed. You don't have any income at that time. So if you receive PPP, guys, that is saying that is income that you receive that is paying yourself or your employees or yourself to be off from work. So, guys, you cannot receive PPP and be currently receiving unemployment. Okay? So what happens, and that's the question, what happens, Marsha, when I do accept my PPP loan, because it isn't a loan in the beginning until it's forgiven? What happens when you accept the PPP loan and you are currently receiving unemployment? This is what should happen. You have to report that income as income. Now, do you have to report the entire amount? No, you don't. This is the thing I wanted to make you aware of. Just say, for example, you receive $5,000 in PPP, in your PPP loan. My tongue gets tired when I do that too, so just don't hold it against me. Let's just say you receive $5,000 PPP loan. You're required to spend at least 60% of that loan amount. Let me get the calculator. Always come to a live, call me with a calculator. You're required to spend 6% of that as payroll. Okay, so 5,000. And just do your amount. You can do this with me. What I say, 6%. So $3,000 of that is considered your paycheck. Okay, so you're receiving unemployment and you have to pay yourself $3,000. And I forgot the number of weeks that you have. So divide that, let's say, by 20 weeks. So your pay each week is $150 per week that you're paying yourself. You write yourself a paycheck. So what I suggest and recommend, guys, so that you can make sure that you're in compliance, is this. $150 when you do your unemployment claim on Sunday, whatever day your claim is. When you do your unemployment claim, what you should do is make sure that you're reporting that you're paying yourself $150. Because if you are not, you are saying that you're not receiving income. You're saying that you have absolutely no income coming in when you say zero, and you're lying to the employment insurance department. And what will happen eventually is that you will be sued. and charged and required to pay back the amount of money that you received for unemployment. Okay. So guys, again, you cannot receive the two. So this doesn't mean that you will lose your unemployment entirely, depending on how much you receive for your PPP. So I'm not saying that you would lose the entire amount. So don't misunderstand me. But you do have to report the amount that you are paying yourself on a weekly, bi-weekly basis, etc. That is the best way. That is what I encourage you to do. I do encourage you to report that income and not feel like that you can hide it, because you may get away with it now, but guys, this stuff is coming back on you. It's coming back. Okay. I strongly advise you to make sure that you're operating by the law. Okay. And I wish, for some reason, I'm sure I have questions, but for some reason, guys, I cannot see my live chat. But I will go back in the comment section and try to support you. If you need help with applying for your PPP, you need support, reach out to us, my company. We can help you, assist you with that. Also, if you need help with your forgiveness, when that come available, we can support you with that. We're also helping individuals with their retarget. So if you receive an email from SBA as far as how to qualify for your retarget advanced loan, then again, we can support you guys with that as well. Again, I really hope this information supported you. Just keep in mind that your paycheck protection program, the money, the PPP, let's keep it real. The PPP, guys, is considered income payroll for your business. So this is why you do not qualify to receive unemployment and the PPP. You have to choose one or the other. Now, let's just say you applied for your PPP and you haven't received it yet. Then yes, continue to receive your unemployment 100%. But as soon as you receive your money, then you need to make sure that you are notifying unemployment that you are now receiving income. And you can break the income up as I talked about earlier. So definitely go back to watch the video. And I kind of gave you an example. I wish I had my board, my chart here. I could just work it all out for you guys. But go back to the example that I give to help support you on how you can better do that to make sure that you are in compliance. All right. Thank you all so much. And it was fun jumping on live, but you'll be seeing more of me. Tax season has not completely gone, but slow down with guys. I can come back here. Any information that I could share with you guys, let me know. Put in the comment section. Let me know how I can better support you, that you can continue to grow and expand in your business. Not only make six figures, but maintain, bank the six figures. So again, this is Marsha Mayfield. Thank you so much for all that you do, your support and your love. You all have a wonderful, magnificent night.